Moving the side mirror on a 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius. So pry back with a flathead screwdriver the sound speaker on here, and there are three 10mm bolts here that you are or nuts that you back off and remove, and the side mirror should come out from the other side. There we go. Ooh. Please don't do what I do. So I back that off just enough to be able to remove it by hand the rest of the way, so I don't lose that nut. Oof. Alright. And the pros are telling me that's why you got magnets. There you go. Just what I was saying. Alright, you can get this out. If you're not as nervous as I am, this has collected quite a lot of water. So let's release that. And that's the mirror. You just disconnect the mirror from the interior here, and voila, you're done. We pry back the door panel a little bit so that we can reveal the connector for the mirror, if it is a powered mirror. And then of course on this Prius they are mostly all powered. Just depress this right there and pull back the connector, and you should be able to remove the mirror. Now we're going to go forward with removing this weather strip because we want to replace it on this vehicle. And by having this panel and the window down, we are able to remove the weather strip. So by just pulling up, there's a little glue that keeps that in place. Okay, it takes two hands to be able to pull this up properly so that I don't damage it or damage the area where it goes. So we've gotten this off. Now with two hands we can get this the rest of the way out. So there we go, and up. There he goes. And there's the weather strip. It is out. Ooh. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this.